Welcome to a very quick introduction to the Corsmed MRI simulator. The Corsmed MRI simulator is made to be your personal MRI scanner, a way to train and practice unlimited hands-on MRI from any computer. So when you log into the system, you're going to see that all the same layouts, viewports, sequences, parameters and settings that you're used to see in any MRI is reflected in the Corsmed MRI simulator as well. But more importantly, all the changes and settings and edits that you make to your sequence or to your experiment are going to be reflected in the final image as well. So if we take, for example, this normal 𝗪𝗵𝘁 echo sequence, which is set up with an echo time of 26 and a repetition time of 700, and we run this one, we're going to get a T1 weighted image. But if we clone this sequence and set it up in nearly the same way, except that we set the echo time to 140 and the repetition time to 3.5 seconds, and we run this one, we're going to get a T2 weighted image instead. And if we in the same way run the same T2 weighted image that we just ran, but with a higher matrix, so we get a smaller voxel size, and we run this one, we're going to get an image with the same contrast but a higher resolution instead. And if we finally take the scout images that we had before and we take the same sequence that we just ran, a T2 weighted image with a higher resolution, and we set up a completely arbitrary and random image position, we're going to see that we're going to get that specific image position as we would in a real MRI scanner as well. This is what makes the Corsmed MRI simulator so powerful. Every single change and every single setting is captured exactly as it would in the real MRI scanners. And you can change everything, including the hardware, the coils, the patients, the positioning, the slice angulation, the sequences, protocols and parameters. All of it will be reflected as you would expect, including the scan time, the SNR, the resolution, the contrast, and the artifacts. And this is all possible because we create every single image from scratch using the same MRI physics as a real scanner. So by using Corsmed, it's like you have a real MRI scanner on your laptop, but that is instantly available whenever you need it, and that is only 1% of the cost of what it would take to run a real MRI.